Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us discuss now one question where new partner brings cash for Goodwill and the whole of the amount is withdrawn by old partners. Let us go through the question. Suresh and Ramesh are partners in a business. They are given their balance sheet as on 31st March 2013. Capital account of Suresh Ramesh 50,000, 24,000. Creditors 57,000. Bills payable 20,000. Reserve fund 9,000. This reserve fund will be divided in their profit sharing ratio, that is equal ratio 1:1, that is 4,500 each. Asset side we have building, machinery, furniture. Debtors 40,000 less RDD 1,000. So net debtors are 39,000. Stock 30,000. Bills receivable 7,600. Cash at bank 33,900. They admitted Kailash on 1st April 2013 as partner on following terms. Kailash will bring 30,000 as his capital. So it will have two effects. Cash debit, Kailash capital account credit for 1/4 share in future profits and rupees 12,000 as goodwill, which will be withdrawn by old partners. So goodwill is brought in cash and it is withdrawn by old partners. Continue. Stock and machinery to be depreciated by 10%. Machinery is 10,000. So we'll have to deduct 1,000 from machinery. Second effect, profit and loss adjustment account debit. Stock 30,000. 10% is 3,000. We'll have to deduct 3,000 from stock. Second effect, profit and loss account debit. RDD is to be maintained at 5% on debtors. Debtors are 40,000. 5% is 2,000. Already we have RDD 1,000. So we'll require to add 1,000 to RDD. So it will become 2,000. We'll have second effect, profit and loss adjustment account debit. Building be appreciated by 20%. Building we have 30,000. Appreciated by 20% means we'll have to add 6,000 to it. Second effect, profit and loss adjustment account credit. Furniture revalued at 10,000. Furniture we have 9,500. We have to add 500. Second effect, profit and loss adjustment account credit. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and balance sheet of new firm. Let us start with liability side. Capital account of Suresh Ramesh. It will be credited to their respective capital accounts. Partners capital account credit. Suresh 50,000, Ramesh 24,000. Creditors 57,000. There is no adjustment on creditors. So this can be directly recorded in balance sheet on liability side. Balance sheet liabilities, creditors 57,000. Bills payable 20,000. There is no adjustment on bills payable. Liabilities, bills payable 20,000. Reserve fund 9,000. This will be divided equally between old partners, credited to their capital accounts. By reserve fund 4,500, 4,500. Asset side building 30,000. There is adjustment on building. Building 30,000. Machinery 10,000. There is adjustment on machinery. Machinery 10,000. Furniture 9,500. Asset side furniture 9,500. Debtors 40,000 less RDD 1,000. There is adjustment on RDD. Debtors 40,000 less RDD 1000 plus adjustment is there. Stock 30,000. Bills receivable, there is no adjustment, will be recorded in outer column. Bills receivable 7,600. Cash at bank 33,900. Asset side cash 33,900. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and balance sheet of new firm. Let us start with the adjustments. We'll do first adjustment number 2. Stock and machinery to be depreciated by 10%. Stock 30,000. Less 10% depreciation 3,000. Now stock is 27,000. This will have second effect. Profit and loss adjustment account debit. Profit and loss adjustment account debit to stock 3,000. Machinery 10,000. Less 10% depreciation 1,000. Net machinery 9,000 now. Profit and loss adjustment account debit to machinery 1,000. RDD to be maintained at 5% on debtors. Debtors 40,000. RDD 5%. It's 2,000. Already RDD we have 1,000. So it will have to be increased by 1,000. Outer column 38,000. This will have second effect. Profit and loss adjustment account debit to RDD 1,000. Building is to be appreciated by 20%. Building is 30,000. Building is 30,000, increased by 6,000. Building now 36,000. Profit and loss adjustment account credit by building 6,000. Furniture to be revalued at 10,000. Furniture is 9,500. Furniture 9,500, add increase 500. So it is now 10,000. Second effect of this 500, revaluation account credit. Revaluation account credit by furniture 500. With this we have completed all adjustments. We can close revaluation account to find profit or loss. Revaluation profit is 1,500. It is divided among old partners in equal ratio, 750 each. Partners capital account credit by revaluation of profit and loss adjustment account. Profit each 750. Let us discuss now first adjustment. Kailash will bring 30,000 as capital. So cash will be received by business. 30,000 can be added to cash. Second effect it will have Kailash capital account credit. Cash received from Kailash towards capital, we can add to cash balance. Second effect it will have in Kailash capital account credit side by cash account 30,000. He shall bring 12,000 as goodwill, which will be withdrawn by old partners. So additional 12,000 is brought by Kailash towards goodwill. Entry will be cash account debit to goodwill account 12,000. Goodwill account credit side by cash account 12,000. Here in balance sheet on asset side, we can add amount of goodwill brought by him in cash. Amount is 12,000. This amount of goodwill will be distributed by partners in their sacrifice ratio. Here in this question, old ratio itself will be a sacrifice ratio because new partner share is only given and not full ratio of the new firm is given. When they have just said that new partner is admitted for 1/4 share, 1/5 share, we should understand that whatever is the old ratio, same is going to be sacrifice ratio. Goodwill account debit to Suresh capital account 6,000. to Ramesh capital account 6,000. So goodwill account gets closed at 12,000. This will have another effect in partners capital account on credit side. Partners capital account credit Suresh 6,000, Ramesh 6,000. This amount of goodwill is withdrawn by partner. So here 12,000 is reduced due to withdrawals. This will be debited to partners capital account. Partners capital account debit to cash Suresh 6,000, Ramesh 6,000. With this we have recorded all transactions. Now we can close partners capital account. Capital of Suresh, Ramesh, Kailash to balance carried down. We got balancing figure Suresh 55,250, Ramesh 29,250, Kailash 30,000. We have closed balance sheet. On asset side total we got 191,500. Liability side total is also same 191,500. We have transferred partners capital as Suresh 55,250, Ramesh 29,250 and Kailash 30,000. Balance sheet is tally. In this question we learn how to record and give effect to adjustment of goodwill when goodwill is brought in cash and withdrawn by old partners totally. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda. Subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.